Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed. I'm here to represent Namara. Three main stories that I want to share with you today. Sorry. This is not changing. Okay. Three main stories that I want to share with you today. Jenny, Hamad, and Puneeth. Hamad got caught up in the floods, car broke down, and needed immediate money to fix his car. His personal loan is taking too long, and he needs his car emergency to get to work and to drop off his kids to school. Puneeth, been working with the same company for 11 years, company not being listed with any banks, so he is unbanked with everybody. Jenny touches my heart the most. She gave birth at a private hospital and needed immediate 5,000 dirhams to get her kid's birth certificate. Got caught up with few bad debts and high DBR and could not be banked anymore. I'm not being able to change, I apologize.
Team?
Can somebody help me with this, please? My bad luck. The green one, the red one, all of them not working. It's just my bad luck. I'm sorry, guys.
This one.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so 89 million people share the same sad stories with these three. Over-leveraged and unbanked, or just simply emergency or cash-strapped. The solution, Namara, with three main products that we have live: borrow, bills, and earn. Borrow is 500 dirhams up to 5,000 dirhams. Non-predatory loan, easy to cash in within 45 minutes from downloading the app. Bills, being able to pay your bills all in one app and even installing them. Earn, side hustle. You can get a side gig on whatever you do 9 to 5. Onboarding on Namara is extremely simple. You download the app, put in few details, your name, your last name, your Emirates ID, a camera pops up to verify it's you, and then you add your bank account, and that's it. We're good to go. Our value propositions are truly unique. We're Sharia compliant. We're flexible payment plans. You get to pick your own payment plan. And we've got no hidden fees, no late fees at all. We're as transparent as wide as Iskandora. We're fast and easy. Within 45 minutes, the money is in your account. So we've got 150 million people facing these problems in total in the region. We firmly believe that we can cater to 15 million people out of these guys within the next 2 years, inshallah. Our traction is extremely impressive and my pride and joy. We've crossed 100,000 users within the first 3 years of operation, organically with 0 dirhams spent to the marketing. We are inshallah growing into 2 to 250,000 customers before the end of this year. We're going into a very aggressive marketing plan, inshallah, in June. We're asking for $10 million initially. $8 million of this is gonna go to build our loan book. We want to be able to build a loan book good enough for us to be approaching banks and financial institutions. $1 million is gonna go into growing our team, and $1 million is gonna go into our marketing. The team is me. I'm the CEO. I'm an ex-banker. I've got another couple of businesses that I'm running, doing fairly well. Khalid's our CTO. He's built pretty cool stuff earlier. Noor is our data expert and chief commercial officer. The board are impressive people who've done good stuff in Dubai, as you can see. Thank you very much. I think I have a minute. I just wanted to add one part that I have heard earlier. They say to build a successful business or successful startup, you need to do one or two things, or two things in combine. Not being in it for the money, and being able to solve a problem that can have a global impact. We always hear about these companies expanding from outside to the UAE. We firmly believe in Namara that we are going to be able to expand. We've already got our license in Saudi, a regulated license in Saudi and in Egypt. And we firmly believe that inshallah, we'll be able to expand into the US and to the UK. The amount of Muslims there is very, very big, and inshallah, we'll be able to cater to them. Thank you very much. If you want to contact me, my LinkedIn is here, and this is the website.
Amazing. Thank you, Namara. Questions from our jury?
Hi, Mohammed. I have a question. In the end, are you building a bank with a loan book, onboarding, etc., or are you only the front end?
So the goal is to be on the front deck. Right now, what we're doing is we're building a book, right? The initial goal is for us to partner with a financial institution to use their book to lend. Yes, sir. Please.
Okay. Thank you.
It's my luck with the mic today.
Yeah, no, and you still finished on time. Just on the loan book, just digging deeper on that. So you have 100,000 users so far, and you're raising $10 million, 8 of which are going to go fully towards building your loan book. This is completely on balance sheet lending.
100%.
What do your defaults look like right now?
As of date, we've been able to cater to almost 12% of what people are asking for, right? As of date, we're less than 1%. We're projecting anywhere between 1 to 3%, but as of date, as of now, we're less than 1%.
And out of that 8 million that you're looking to deploy fully into lending, are you backing it up with any debt that you're raising in addition to the 8 million?
This is the debt. The $8 million is the debt. I mean, we're going to take it on equity right now, but this is the debt. Later on, we plan to grow. Once we have a good book, we plan to grow more into debt.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Quick question, Mohammed. Your journey of partnership, how did it look like? Are you already working with banks? Are you planning to work with banks?
So, as of date, we're working with 3 financial institutions. We're in very, very advanced talks. I mean, we're in one of 2. We're talking to debt funds and we're talking with banks. Both of them work fine with us. Whatever comes first is what we're going to go to. We want to get the operations in hand. We've seen a lot of demand. And I mean, we're live today on the App Store and the Apple Store. And alhamdulillah, we've got a good track record. But people have asked so much more than we could fulfill as of date. So whatever comes first, inshallah, we're going to cater to.
Can I ask about the competition, please? You mentioned Egypt. I mean, there are other people providing similar solutions. In Egypt, you have Yalla. I mean, he's got 20 million customers.
100%.
Yeah. So how are you going to compete with these big boys?
In Egypt and in Saudi and even in the UAE, we have competition. The competition is there. We just want to cater to a better product. We just want to have a better product on hand. The competition is there in any business that you start, and we firmly believe it, right? We learn from the competition and we see what is missing that they're not being provided, that they're not providing, and we're trying to do it.
Mohammed, good job.
Thank you.
It's great to see the company, progress over the time. And as I've seen you, one thing I'm curious about now is now you've introduced a few different product lines. Can you explain how they're related to each other, how you put them together? Because it wasn't so obvious.
Yes. So Namara is not a lending app. Namara is never going to be portrayed as a lending app. Namara is a community. Namara is exactly our slogan. Our slogan is your financial safety net. Whenever you need Namara, Namara is going to help you with money. But again, Namara is not your lending app. Namara is going to also help you find a side gig. So what we're trying to do, our bread and butter is going to be the lending, right? 95% of our income is going to be the lending, but 5% is going to be the bills and the side hustles, right? So we're trying to cater Namara as somebody who can help you when you need, whether it's money or whether it's different else, whether it's side hustle. Because our side hustle, comparing to Naukri Gulf and Dubizzle, is the cheapest in the market. And that's just something to give our clients, just for us not to be portrayed as somebody who lent you money and now is asking for that money. You know? Anybody else? We've got 10 more seconds. Thanks everybody for being here. I appreciate you.